Hello and welcome to the British Columbia Real Estate Association's housing market update for February 2023. BC housing market is off to a slow start in 2023 with sales across BC housing markets down 50.3% year over year in January to 3,047 units. While January is typically a low month for sales, January 2023 was the lowest January since 2009. The total number of active listings has significantly increased compared to the record low level recorded at the start of 2022. However, at just under 22,000 total listings, the inventory of homes for sale remains well below normal for January, as a scarcity of new listings in many markets has muted the impact of slow sales activity. Given low inventory, sales to active listings ratio is 13.9% for the province, still above the range that typically signals a buyer's market. However, given how swiftly markets have reacted to rising interest rates, we are seeing more downward pressure on prices than we normally see given the current sales to active listings ratio. However, there is significant variation between not only regions but housing types, with some markets in clear buyer's market range. The MLS average price for the province was down 16.5% year over year in January to about $873,000. While average prices have flattened out in many markets for the past few months, year over year measures are now reflecting the decline that occurred from the peak in 2022, as well as a marked shift in the composition of sales away from more expensive housing types. That shift is most apparent in the Lower Mainland, where the sales of single detached homes are now at a historically low share. The year-over-year change in the MLS Home Price Composite Index is also reflecting declines that occurred from the peak last year, though less severely since the HPI adjusts for changes in the composition of sales. The HPI was down 6.6% on a year-over-year basis in Greater Vancouver, it was down 15.1% in Fraser Valley, 1.3% in Victoria, 3.7% in the Vancouver Island Board area, down 5.9% in the interior, and down 21.9% in Chilliwack. Now let's take a look at market conditions around the province.